expecting anyone. Who could it be? I need to hide. I need to text my husband. What the? Oh my God. I need to be quiet. Real quiet. How many times?
Hello, someone there?
Who the hell is he?
Hello, someone there? Hello, someone there?
Hello. I saw your feet. Why are you not opening your door? I am the cable guy. You set an appointment. Okay. maybe I'm not, but I want a friend, and I saw you outside, and I want to play, play. Do you want to play?